Flexible time recording with MARIProject. In this video, you will learn how employees can record attendance, project and support times with MARIProject, whether in the office, home office or on the go. We will also learn how timesheets, overtime, flex time, vacation and the MARIProject calendars work. All employees in our example company are already defined in the system. Secretary Sonia works mostly in the office. Project manager Paula is often on site with customers, and developer Daniel is usually involved in development tasks in customer projects. Sometimes he also processes support tickets, either in the home office or in the office. Let's start with Sonia. When she comes into the office in the morning, Sonia starts recording her attendance time with 2 clicks in TimeTouch. The system displays and saves her arrival time. She also saves the start and end of her lunch break with 2 clicks. In the afternoon, Sonia has an appointment with her tax advisor. She selects off-site work before the visit and end of off-site work when she returns. At the end of her working day, she logs out. TimeTouch displays all entries for the current day as well as overtime from previous days. If you install TimeTouch on a small terminal in the entrance area of your company, employees with a fixed workstation, for example in the office or in an assembly hall, can easily record their attendance time. Project manager Paula can use TimeTouch on her mobile when she is on a customer visit. She opens the MARIProject app at the start of her working day, starts the timesheet entry, selects the customer project, then the service project management, and saves the time. At the end of her working day, she saves the time again and closes the timesheet entry. Alternatively, Paula can record the time for the customer visit on her laptop. To do this, she starts the MARIProject web client via the internet. In this example, she checks the timesheet entry made from her mobile and adds her travel expenses. Daniel is currently working on a customer project in his home office. He likes to use the quick entry function in the web client, where he can simply enter the number of hours per day for his project. If, on the other hand, he has worked on a support ticket, he can record the processing time directly on the ticket. This is a convenient shortcut when dealing with multiple tickets each day. Speaking of convenient, regardless of whether project times or attendance times were recorded with TimeTouch, the app, or in the web client, all times are stored centrally in MARIProject and assigned to projects, as here with Daniel. This enables you to quickly generate project-specific timesheets, which you can use as attachments for invoices. In addition, all recorded hours are automatically listed in the project billing. Using approval processes, project managers are able to make changes to the billable hours. The attendance time is calculated based on so-called calendars, as you can see here in TimeTouch. For example, you define a calendar, full-time 40 hours per week, with a time rule, such as in our example, 8 hours from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., including a 30-minute break. You can also define such a calendar for employees working part-time or in shifts. The calendar also includes public holidays, which may vary from region to region. A calendar is assigned to each employee, and MARIProject compares the target working hours defined in the calendar with the actual hours from the attendance time. In this way, overtime can be determined and copied to a flex time account. In addition, each employee is assigned vacation days. Vacation can also be managed completely in MARIProject. As you have seen, MARIProject offers a very high degree of flexibility. You have now become familiar with some of the options. If you have any questions about MARIProject or would like to find out more, please contact us. We are looking forward to your feedback.